Coca-Cola, you know it, you've probably drank it. It's a name that resonates across continents, a brand that has become synonymous with refreshment and joy. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village, chances are you've seen that iconic red label and cursive logo. It's more than a drink, it's a global icon. From the neon lights of New York to the serene landscapes of rural India, Coca-Cola has found its way into the hearts and homes of millions. Its advertisements, often featuring happy, smiling faces, have become a universal symbol of happiness and togetherness. This fizzy beverage is recognized worldwide. It's not just a drink, it's a cultural phenomenon. People from different walks of life, different cultures, and different backgrounds all share a common love for this refreshing beverage. It's a testament to the power of a simple idea executed brilliantly. The iconic red cans and cursive logo are everywhere. They are more than just packaging, they are a symbol of quality and consistency. No matter where you are in the world, when you see that red can, you know exactly what you're getting. A refreshing, fizzy drink that never disappoints. From bustling cities to remote villages, Coca-Cola has made its mark. It's a brand that transcends borders and languages, bringing people together over a shared love for its unique taste. Whether it's a hot summer day or a festive celebration, Coca-Cola is often the beverage of choice. But have you ever stopped to think about how it's made? The journey from raw ingredients to the finished product is a fascinating one, involving a blend of science, art, and a bit of magic. It's a process that has been perfected over decades to ensure that every sip is as delightful as the last. The process is a fascinating journey. It starts with the careful selection of ingredients, each chosen for its unique properties. These ingredients are then mixed in precise proportions to create the base syrup, which is the heart of Coca-Cola. This syrup is then combined with carbonated water to give it that signature fizz. It starts with simple ingredients. Sugar, water, and a secret blend of flavors come together to create the base syrup. This syrup is then carefully mixed with carbonated water to create the fizzy drink we all know and love. It's a process that requires precision and expertise to get just right. Then it transforms into the refreshing drink we all know. The carbonation process adds that delightful fizz, making each sip a burst of refreshment. The mixture is then carefully bottled, ensuring that every bottle meets the high standards of quality that Coca-Cola is known for. From sourcing to bottling, every step is crucial. Each stage of the process is meticulously monitored to ensure that the final product is nothing short of perfect. From the selection of ingredients to the bottling and packaging, every detail is carefully managed to maintain the brand's reputation for excellence. Each stage ensures the unique taste and quality of Coca-Cola. Rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure that every bottle that leaves the factory is up to the mark. From laboratory testing to taste tests, every step is designed to ensure that the Coca-Cola you enjoy is of the highest quality. Let's talk ingredients. The journey of Coca-Cola begins with the selection of the finest natural ingredients. Each component is carefully chosen to ensure the highest quality and taste. Coca-Cola starts with natural ingredients. These ingredients are sourced from various parts of the world, ensuring a rich and diverse flavor profile. Water is the main component, making up most of the drink. The purity and quality of water are paramount, as it forms the base of every Coca-Cola beverage. Then comes sugar, adding that sweet kick. The sugar used in Coca-Cola is derived from sugarcane and sugar beets, providing a natural sweetness that is both satisfying and refreshing. Natural flavors and caffeine provide the unique taste. These flavors are a blend of various spices and extracts, creating the iconic taste that Coca-Cola is known for. Caffeine, sourced from coffee beans, adds that extra boost. These ingredients come from suppliers all over the world. From the sugarcane fields of Brazil to the spice markets of India, Coca-Cola's ingredients are truly global. Coca-Cola is serious about its sourcing. The company ensures that every ingredient meets its high standards of quality and sustainability. The company partners with trusted suppliers. These partnerships are built on trust and mutual respect, ensuring a steady supply of high-quality ingredients. These suppliers meet strict quality standards. Every batch of ingredients undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Coca-Cola's stringent requirements. This ensures that only the best ingredients go into every bottle. The bottling process is meticulously monitored to maintain the integrity of the ingredients. The origin of these ingredients might surprise you. From the lush fields of South America to the aromatic spice farms of Asia, each ingredient has a unique story. It's a global effort to create a global product. The journey of these ingredients, from their origins to the final product, is a testament to Coca-Cola's commitment to quality and excellence. Quality control is paramount in the Coca-Cola process. Before anything else, the raw ingredients undergo rigorous testing. This ensures they meet the highest standards of purity and safety. Trained technicians use advanced equipment. They check for any impurities or inconsistencies. This meticulous approach guarantees the consistent taste of Coca-Cola. Every drop, from New York to Tokyo, meets the same high standards. This commitment to quality has been key to Coca-Cola's success. It's a brand built on trust and consistency. Now let's get to the good stuff, making the syrup. The exact recipe is a closely guarded secret. It's a blend of natural flavors and sweeteners. This concentrate is the heart of Coca-Cola's unique taste. It's carefully mixed with treated water. The ratio of water to syrup is crucial. It determines the final sweetness and flavor of the drink. This process happens in dedicated facilities. These facilities adhere to strict hygiene standards. It's all about maintaining that signature Coca-Cola taste. Section 5. Bubbles and bottles. No Coca-Cola is complete without its signature fizz. This is where carbonation comes in. The prepared syrup is mixed with chilled, carbonated water. This creates the refreshing bubbles we all love. The carbonation process is carefully controlled. It ensures the perfect balance of fizziness. The final product is then ready for packaging. Coca-Cola comes in various sizes and containers. From iconic glass bottles to aluminum cans, there's a choice for everyone. Section 6. Partners and distribution. Once bottled, the journey isn't over. The process of getting Coca-Cola from the bottling plant to the consumer is a complex and fascinating one. Coca-Cola relies on a vast distribution network. This network is meticulously planned and executed to ensure that every bottle reaches its destination in perfect condition. This network spans the globe, covering every continent and reaching even the most remote locations. From bustling cities to quiet rural areas, Coca-Cola is everywhere. Bottling partners play a crucial role in this process. They are the backbone of the distribution network, ensuring that the product is bottled, packaged, and ready for shipment. They receive the concentrated syrup, which is the essence of Coca-Cola. This syrup is carefully measured and mixed to maintain the iconic taste. Then, they add carbonated water and package it locally. This step is crucial as it ensures that the beverage is fresh and fizzy when it reaches the consumer. This localized approach ensures freshness and reduces transportation costs. By bottling and distributing locally, Coca-Cola can maintain its high standards of quality while being environmentally conscious. From there, the product is delivered to stores, restaurants, and vending machines. It's a well-oiled machine that operates seamlessly to meet the demands of consumers. The goal is to get Coca-Cola into the hands of thirsty consumers. Whether it's a refreshing break during a busy day or a moment of enjoyment with friends and family, Coca-Cola is there to quench your thirst and bring a smile to your face. The global reach of Coca-Cola is a testament to its effective distribution strategy. By partnering with local bottlers and distributors, Coca-Cola ensures that its products are available and accessible to everyone, everywhere. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team works tirelessly to coordinate shipments, manage logistics, and ensure that every bottle of Coca-Cola arrives on time and in perfect condition. From ports to warehouses and from trucks to store shelves, the journey of a Coca-Cola bottle is a marvel of modern logistics and distribution. And at the end of this journey, when a consumer opens a bottle and takes that first refreshing sip, all the effort and coordination behind the scenes come to fruition. It's a moment of satisfaction that makes all the hard work worthwhile. Coca-Cola is more than just a beverage. It's a part of life's moments, big and small. From family gatherings to global celebrations, Coca-Cola is there, thanks to its incredible distribution network and dedicated partners. Taste the feeling, brought to you by a world-class distribution network and the partners who make it all possible. Section 7. A global operation. The scale of Coca-Cola's operation is staggering. The company sells over 1.9 billion servings of its beverages every day. That's a lot of thirsty people. To meet this demand, Coca-Cola operates over 100 bottling plants worldwide. These plants employ thousands of people. The company's distribution network is equally impressive. It involves trucks, ships, and even airplanes. Coca-Cola reaches every corner of the globe. It's a testament to the brand's global reach and popularity. Section 8. quality from start to finish. From sourcing ingredients to bottling the final product, quality is paramount. Every step in the Coca-Cola production process is designed to ensure consistency. The company's commitment to quality has earned it the trust of consumers worldwide. The next time you enjoy a cold Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients, meticulous processes, and a global network working in perfect harmony.